Algebra Unit 1 Polynomial Functions. The polynomial functions. The general form f of x equals a0 plus a1x plus a2x power 2 plus a3x power 3 plus an x to the power n, where x belongs to R and a0, a1 and an are constant numbers. The degree of the function, it is the highest power of the variable x. Example, find the degree of the function f of x equals x to the power 3 minus 7x plus 1. Solution, this function is a third degree function because the highest power of the variable x is 3. Find the degree of the function f of x equals 4. Solution, this function is a 0 degree function because no variable x. Or we can consider f of x equals 4 x to the power 0 and x to the power 0 equals 1. Then f of x equals 4. Find the degree of the function f of x equals x power 3 minus x power 2 multiplied by x plus 1. Solution, f of x equals x power 3 minus x power 2 multiplied by x plus 1. Expand the bracket. F of x equals x to the power 3 negative x power 2 multiply x equals negative x to the power 3. Negative x to the power 2 multiplied by 1 equals negative x power 2. Then x power 3 minus x power 3 minus x power 2 equals negative x to the power 2. Then the function is a second degree function. If f of x equals x to the power 2 minus x plus 3, then find f negative 2, f 0, f root 3. Since f of x equals x to the power 2 minus x plus 3, then f of negative 2 means substitute x by negative 2, then f of negative 2 equals negative 2 all power 2 minus negative 2 plus 3 equals 9. And f0 equals 3. Similarity, f root 3 equals 6 minus root 3. The constant function. The general form of the constant function f of x equal c, where c is a real number, is represented graphically by a straight line parallel to x-axis and cuts y-axis at the point 0 and c. Remark, f of x equals 0 is represented graphically by x-axis. Example, represent f of x equals negative 3. Solution, f of x equals negative 3 is a constant function, so it represented by straight line parallel to x-axis and passes through point 0 and negative 3. Example, complete. If f of x equals negative 2, then f of 0 equals what? And 3f4 minus 3f5 equals what? Solution, if f of x equals negative 2, then f of x is constant function, then its value equals negative 2, then f of 0 equals negative 2. 3f4 means 3 multiplied by negative 2 minus 3f5 means 3 multiplied by negative 2, then equals negative 6 plus 6 equals 0. Linear function. The function f from R to R, where f of x equals ax plus b, a and b belongs to R, and a doesn't equal 0. This function is called a linear function, or a function of the first degree. Example, represent graphically the function f from R to R, f of x equals 2x minus 3. Solution, since f of x equals 2x minus 3, we can put or substitute x by any three values. We can put 0, 1, and 2 and substitute x by them. Then f0 equals 0 minus 3 equals negative 3. f1 equals 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. f2 equals 4 minus 3 equals 1. Now we have 3 ordered pairs, 0 and negative 3, 1 and negative 1, 2 and 1. We can represent it by straight line passes through these 3 points. Remarks. It is enough to find 2 ordered pairs belonging to the function. It is preferred to find third ordered pairs to check the graph. Number 2, if f is function from R to R and f of x equals ax, where a doesn't equal 0, then it represents graphically by a straight line passing through the origin point.